Hi Vogue. Just kidding. So anyways, I'm gonna grab some facial soap, and this is from Clean and Clear. This is the night one, and I just wash my face. Actually, you gotta make sure that you also wash your neck, because most of the time we tend to forget to wash our neck. Because if you're wearing makeup, I normally put in my neck as well, so make sure to, you know, take care and don't forget about to wash your neck, and especially in your forehead as well, like here, and then here, kind of like circular motion. That's what I normally do. What I also normally do is use my spin brush and, you know, just do like a circular motion. Okay, next one is this Ordinary AHA 30% BHA 2% peeling solution. So what I normally do is just use this like once or twice a week. I don't use this often, like every day. So it looks like a cough syrup drop and it's a red. So what I do is just put this in my face and just spread it out with my finger. And this is really, how do you call this? Strong, you guys. And I've been using this solution for like, for the past couple of years actually, and then I stopped. And then I ordered them back again because I forgot like how good this was. I'm just gonna put this in here, my cheeks, and also in my chin. If I don't do this, I normally do my my other mask, like the veggie mask or like sheet mask. And I'm gonna leave this for 10 minutes. No more than 10 minutes. I'm gonna wash my face with lukewarm warm water. So, oh, it's getting bloody in here. It looks like a blood test. Okay, next one is toner. What I normally use is the blue Ole Henriksen toner, but I literally completely ran out of it. So I'm just gonna use my green one, which is, I normally use this for daytime. So this is really good for like oil control, especially I have an oily skin. And a lot of people use pads for, you know, to put their toner, but what I normally do is just put the toner in my palm and just press it in my face. Make sure your hands are clean if you're doing this step. I like doing this step because I feel like I get a use of the toner, because once you put it in the pad is just soaking the toner. So I normally do this instead of a cotton pad, but if the cotton pad works for you, then you know it's fine. It's you. We have different types of method of doing our skincare. So normally just pressing them in. Oh my god, I can really talk. Next one is the eye cream. I normally use my Lancome eye cream, but since I use it all already, thank God BoxyCharm sent me a anti-wrinkle eye treatment, and I've been using this as well. And it's just so tiny that I run off my eye cream. So I normally just press it. This is from Juice Beauty. So I'm just gonna like put the eye cream underneath my eyeballs. I like massage. Next one is this ordinary niacinamide 10% plus zinc 1%. It looks like this, you guys. Right there, and I don't know if you guys can see, I'm halfway using this product, and I've been using this every day. Like even in the morning, I use this as well. So it looks like a drop, and I just use one drop and spread it to my whole face. Especially, this is actually good when you have like pimple or acne scars. It kind of like lessen up the, you know, the pimple scars. Massaging my nose, between my nose. And if I don't use the peeling solution, because I normally use them once a week, I do my sheet mask. I'll just pop up a picture what exact sheet mask I use. I ordered them at Amazon, and it's really good. It's like a Korean brand sheet mask. And I do like my jade roller while I'm using my sheet mask, but since I already did my peeling solution, I don't want to do like, you know, sheet mask. So that's that. I normally let them soak for like a good minute or two, and I have a fan, but I forgot to bring it with me, so I'm just gonna do this with my hands. Okay, my next step would be a cream, which is, this is for night. This is Lancome Multi-Vital Night Cream, and this smells really good, you guys. So I'll just grab some night cream and put it in my cheeks. And it smells so freaking good. I also have this at morning as well. I have like a different one for morning, and it has sunscreen, which is really good. I'm gonna use this Cerafine Botanicals Lip Exfoliator. Here I got this at my BoxyCharm as well. So I'll just squeeze this amount of product and put it in my lips and just scrub them. Do like circular motion. And I'll rinse it with cold water. Or you can actually do a wet tissue as well, but I'll just rinse it with cold water. Alright, last but not the least is, if I have a pimple, I normally put this Mario Badescu drying lotion. I don't know if you guys can see. Right there, this is the drying lotion, and I got this at Ulta for 14 bucks, I believe. So since I don't have any pimple right now, or any active pimple, Lord please don't. It's healing actually, like especially in my chin, and I've been using this, you guys. This is like my holy grail. I've been using this drying lotion ever since I have that crazy amount of pimples, especially in my chin and in my forehead, and here even actually in my nose. And I've been putting the Mario Badescu drying lotion every single day. And the minute or the day I wake up after putting this overnight, it actually lessens up like the liquid. It actually dries the liquid. So yeah, I've been using that, and I feel like with the help of the niacinamide, I can see any less scars of my pimple or like my acne. So I'm really happy about that. And anyway, last but not the least is Mario Badescu skincare facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. I like this, and also the purple one, I forgot, I think it's like the lavender. So this is my last step of my skincare routine. So I just like spray them all over my face. Keep my face nice and hydrated. And no, this is not a sponsor for Mario, but it just works for me. That's, you know, that's just in my opinion. And I've been using this spray for like, you know, over like a couple years now, ever since like I discovered it, and it smells really freaking good. So this is my nighttime routine, you guys. I hope you liked this as much as I did. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next one. Bye.